Hi guys, in this video I will show you 5 products that you can sell on your Shopify website. So those are one of the best products that you can sell right now in dropshipping. Before we start, I recommend you to click the like button, subscribe and activate the notification bell if you want to receive notify every time I upload a video. My channel is called Smart Money. I upload video every week. In this video we show you how you can make money online. There are different type of method that you can choose, and if you click the subscribe button and activate the notification bell, you will receive a notify every time I upload a video. The first product that I want to show you is called the men's water changing swimming trunks beach pants. As you can see, the reviews are good. He has 4 star, 4.5 star and 4 star. This pant is pretty amazing because it changes color, so the wow effect is pretty huge. And for promote this product you can make a video, a short video on TikTok, on YouTube Short, etc. when you wear this pant and you enter in a swimming pool and see that the texture change. So I think it's pretty good product for summer season. You can see these are some photos here, and here. The cost of the product is $6.10 per every unit. There are shipping fee and service fee also, so you can sell this product for $25–30. The second product that I want to show you is called the color changing glass water. The cost is around $2.50. As you can see, when you put water inside this glass water, the color of the flowers of this tree changing. So before you have white flower, and after that you have pink flower. Those are some photos of the product. Is pretty good, I think, and you can sell this product for probably, I don't know, $20, $30. For promote this product, you can make simple videos like TikTok and post on TikTok or YouTube Shorts for promote this product with free traffic. I think it's gonna work really well. Third product that I want to show you is called hot and cold hot water faucet for kitchen and bathroom. So as you can see, there are different type of faucet, and looks pretty good. They looks pretty good. The cost is around $10 or $14, and you can resell it for $30 probably. Another product is a smart car hot and cold water cap. So this object work for your car. You have to insert this object in your car, and in winter keeps your drink warm, and in summer keeps your drink cold. So now in the summer you can sell this product as well. So the cost is around $20, and you can promote it on Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, etc. I think this type of object go really well. Now let's go on the last product. The last product that I want to show you is called Romantic 7 Color Change LED Light Shower Head. So as you can see, there are 7 colors, and if you insert this LED light shower, you can change the color, and it's pretty good, it's pretty nice. So if you want to do a particular shower, you can use this product for change the color and make your shower more fun. This type of product goes really well in on TikTok or on YouTube Short, etc. You can create viral video with this product. I think it's gonna sell really well. The price of the product is $2.43 per unit, and probably you can sell it for 15, 20. So the video is finished. I hope you like it. If the answer is yes, click the like button, subscribe and active the notification bell for receive notify every time I upload a video. We will see to the next. Bye.